Good morning, everyone. It's spring. We're here at Georgia Tech University. I'm Dan Mabe with the American Green Zone Alliance. And look what we have behind us here. This is the Candida building. It is one of the most sustainable buildings in the United States. And it's right here at Georgia Tech. We have here today an ensemble of AGZA field tested certified manufacturers. We have Steel, we have Husqvarna, we have Mean Green, we have Ego, and we are introducing Makita, who is nearly over the finish line with our torture testing. We are making sure that institutions, municipalities, companies who are investing in battery are going to make good investments. We test these tools independently, and we give that valuable information to all of our audience and our clients. And it's just very exciting to be here. We're going to introduce you to some of the manufacturers right now. See you soon. Good morning again, Dan Mabe. We're back here with Husqvarna. We're with Austin. And Austin, you know, we've been doing these a few times now. We were in Mountain Brook, Alabama a couple of months ago. Here we are at Georgia Tech University, and we're so happy to have your support. Why don't you tell us what is so exciting and what is going on with Husqvarna Commercial Electric Tools?
Absolutely. I mean, it's something that we've been a part of for a while now. So, you know, giving us the opportunity to attend some of these events has been really rewarding for us as well. But some of the cool things we have, anything that we have in the two-stroke regular engine, we have that battery option. So if you can see here, we have anything from the handheld pieces, the combo units, the bread and butter, the chainsaws, the battery setup, kind of give you an idea of those platforms. And then on the blower side, we have the 550. That one's been very, very popular. And then on the hedge trimmer side, we have different options as well. So it just kind of gives you an idea of the different mix. And like you mentioned, there is the big push for batteries. So that's why we want to get it out here and have everyone try it out.
Yeah, and we must acknowledge this backpack style blower is very popular everywhere we go because it's basically a gas design that is electric. And we know that the claim to fame with Husqvarna from our testers and users has been these 40cc equivalent saws, if you will, the rear handle, the top handle. So we're definitely excited about what you guys are doing, and again, we just can't thank you enough for your support.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, thank you, Austin.
Thanks, Dan.
Okay, we're back here again, Georgia Tech, Dan Mabe with AGZA. We are here with Kevin from Ego. First of all, we really appreciate you coming out last couple of days, bringing the tools, Kevin.
Thanks for having us.
And well, I just want to ask you, what's going on with Ego, and tell us what's so exciting about the near future with this product line.
Well, Dan, it's an endless possibility. So first of all, we always start with our battery technology. One battery fits one tool across our entire platform, making us the #1 battery platform, outdoor power. So what makes Ego so great is the battery platform. So we have the #1 battery platform out there in the OPE market, okay? One battery system fits every tool that we make. So you get the power of gas without the noise, without the fume. And the other biggest thing with Ego is innovation. So you think of tools like the CFM, the 650 CFM blower with the turbo button on. You think of our new 42-inch zero turn. So we make tools that fits people's lives, people's practicability, make these tools easier to use for their end consumer.
Fantastic.
Hey, one thing I want to tell you is how durable the Ego batteries are, making us the #1 platform. So your crew, sometimes you guys don't take care of the product, sometimes accidents happen. So if you got a crew that's not extremely careful and they just happen to drop it down the staircase, you don't have to worry. Pick it back up, put it back on your tool, and you're good to go. Again, Ego, power beyond belief.
And we are equally excited about Ego. We have torture tested this platform for over 5 years, and we can say it really is holding up and shouldering a lot of the gas workloads that it's replacing. So again, we just can't thank you enough for being here today, and we look forward to the next one.
All right, thanks, Dan.
Take care, Kevin. Okay, we're back. Dan Mabe with AGZA here at Georgia Tech this morning. We are here with Al with Steel. Al, this has been great. We saw you yesterday at Serenbe. We're here today. Tell us what is so exciting. What's going on with steel that is replacing some of the gas tools that exist out there?
We have a lot of new technology that's come on just in the last year, allowing to basically have multiple units that run one battery, and it's on the same platform, so it makes it a little easier on the dealer and the end user, and that you basically got one motor, one set of parts and all that to match the same thing.
Fantastic. I know from experience this new 135 platform where you can have the AP300S onboard battery instead of just having to use the backpack battery, that flexibility. We have received a tremendous amount of feedback with that. What has been the feedback on your end?
So far it's been very well. We've had shortages just like everyone else just because of the pandemic, but this year we're expecting tremendous growth in the KM135, not only on the commercial end but the homeowner end, because it is one motor that allows me to have the trimmer, the blower, the hedge clipper, the pole saw. There's actually 11 different attachments that will connect to that motor.
Fantastic. And on that note, folks who have invested in your gas combi systems, they'll be able to basically repurpose their gas attachments with the electric power head, correct?
Correct. It runs the exact same attachments as the gas unit.
Fantastic. Okay, so you heard it from Al, and I also want to tell everybody that the Steel AP line is the oldest AFTC AGZA field tested platform out there. They have been helping us convert prudently low impact implementations, and we just want to thank you for your support. Thank you, Al.
Thank you very much.
So Al, if you can you show us a couple of examples of what we're looking at here today?
Yeah. So this is the KM135R. This is a newer platform unit, but this is the KM version. So it allows me to connect to any of the attachments that we currently have in the gas models. So your current trimmer model, current edger model will work with this unit. With this platform motor here, we also have standalone units over here that still use the same platform motor. So if you would like the KM unit, you have it, but if you need a dedicated trimmer, hedge clipper, pole saw, we still offer it in that series.
All right, thank you very much. Okay, we're back here, Georgia Tech University, Dan Mabe AGZA, and we are here with Tom of Mean Green. Tom, yes. Tom, can you please tell us what is going on and what is so exciting about what Mean Green is doing, helping transition acres upon acres of serviceable turf with this? Can you just explain that?
Well, yeah, I'll touch on the product itself first of
Sure.
all, and thank you again for having us. I'm Tom Jacobs with Mean Green, parent company Generac Power Systems. What we're looking at today is the Rival, our Rival model, and our Vanquish model. These are both commercial electric mowers. These originally came to market about 10 years ago, and we were the original electric mower in the marketplace. Both of these units are powered by a 22 kilowatt battery that gives you a straight 7.5 hours of mow time, and that's live mow time, not just the mowers running.
Blade to grass.
That's correct, yes, Dan. In terms of battery life, which everybody is concerned about and everybody asks us about, you'll put 8,000 hours on this unit and only bring down the battery life by about 10%. So in essence, the battery on these units will outlive the mower itself. So those are kind of some of the highlights of what makes the units tick. They're being very, very well received in the market. We like to focus a lot on the hospitals, municipalities, of course universities, good universities such as Georgia Tech, and we're just ramped up and ready to have an outstanding 2022.
That is awesome, Tom. And
Yeah.
I just want to add to that, AGZA has been testing and helping implement Mean Green mowers for nearly 10 years. we have logged over 120,000 independent hours of Mean Green in various implementations. We know that the claim is true. The batteries are going to last that long. We have verified many situations where they are 7, 8, up to 9 years old. So we're very excited about it. We know that the product works, it performs, and it's good that we're hearing these longevity claims. We know them to be true. So thank you so much, Tom.
Dan, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Great to be here, and thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Dan Mabe with the American Green Zone Alliance, and here we have with us Kevin Cowan of Makita Tools. And we just want to say how excited we are, Kevin, that Makita is coming under the AGZA umbrella as an AFTC AGZA Field Tested Certified brand very soon. We're happy to have you here with the other AFTC brands. What is it about Makita that is exciting?
Well, one of the things, first I want to say thank you for having us this morning. Makita's really proud to be part of this, Green Zone Alliance. But a couple of things about Makita that people may not know or may have forgotten. Makita is a 107-year-old company. They still are a family-owned company by the same family that originally started 107 years ago. We started as an electric motor company, so we've been in motors our entire existence. We've been doing battery in the United States for 43 years. So we are one of the originators and innovators of battery products in the United States. And we have a 17-year-old battery line, our LXT battery line, which currently has over 300 products that utilize this battery. So an end user does not have to worry about getting into a situation where he buys a tool, the company changes batteries, and now the tool he bought is obsolete. The tools will always function with this battery platform. We also work in all environments. You don't have to worry about it getting wet, getting rained on, dropping it in a pond. We do handle moisture. That's another big thing. We have the best warranty in the industry. We have a 3-year warranty on our tools, on our batteries, and on our chargers. So that kind of puts us a step ahead as well. All of our dealers have access to what we call a factory service program, where they can actually take a tool and overnight it in a day to our factory service center. The factory service center has to fix that tool and send it back out the door within 3 days, and then it's another day to get back there. So we're literally talking about a situation that you could have a tool go down, you could send it off, have it repaired, and back to you in a week. That doesn't happen in the gas two-cycle industry, especially in the height of the season. You're waiting weeks upon weeks to get a tool back. We can get a tool back to you within a week. So that's another big plus for our end users.
That's incredible, and we really appreciate all of that information. You heard it, 3-year warranty, and then amazing customer support. Of course, people are going to be using these tools, replacing their gas, and they're going to have to burden and shoulder workloads traditionally done with gas. And looks like Makita is well up to the challenge. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.